Hey everybody, welcome to the Lunar Lowdown with me, Sally Nerney. This is the lowdown for the full moon of June 3rd, where we have the sun in the middle degrees of Taurus and the moon directly across the way in the middle degrees of Scorpio. Let's drop in and find out what the stars think we are best to know for this full moon. Hot sun, cool moon, feeling the extremes of oppositions. You have heard me say repeatedly that full moons are an opportunity to find the center point between two opposing forces, to find the middle space where they complement and commune with one another. Yet here, in this full moon, I feel something different. Instead of spending time at the center point of merging, we are encouraged to feel the hot sun and the cool moon. Taurus resonates with that which is in plain view, sensed, seen, touched, felt, smelled, tasted, experienced. Scorpio resonates with that which is intuited beyond the more familiar, dense senses, ferreting out even that which is hidden. Incarnation, excarnation, all the possibilities of new beginnings, all the wisdom that comes from experience, life, death. Fundamentally, we're talking about the day forces and night forces. Think about any time that you have awoken in the middle of the dark night, fretting and worrying about some very real issue in your life or the world. And then, once the sun rises, your outlook and perspective, while still maybe serious, seems different, feels less harrowing. Consider a day that you have had of heat and energy and busyness. And then, as the sun sets and the night forces arise, the peace that comes with it. I offer these examples to give you an entry point into the spectrum held by these great beings of Taurus and Scorpio, holding the luminaries of sun and moon. Their primary relationship in opposition is lit up and heightened for us in this full moon period. The mysteries of life, of animated matter, the mysteries of death. That matter cannot hold the spark indefinitely. Where did this spark come from, and how does it become wed to matter? What happens after that? These are some of the mysteries held by these great beings, Taurus and Scorpio. And this full moon, we sit not with their middle point, but their extremes. And when I ask the stars why, they say, you are living in a time with much death and bodies passing from existence, and great new things coming in to existence. By bringing our awareness to these mysteries as mysteries, not to find answers or solutions or insights, though they may come, we act as midwives to both processes now. Find out for yourself what lives in each of these great beings. Pay attention to sunlight. We pay attention to moonlight. And we notice how they feel in our own experience. What is it like walking out into the day in these next few weeks? What is it like to walk out into the night. When I ask the stars, why does it matter for us to do this work? They say that this is part of what human beings do, like breathing or eating. We've simply forgotten. This full moon is an excellent one for remembering this human function because of its primary attunement to life and death, to coming into a body and eventually leaving that body. So join me, won't you, and offer your presence to these extremes of life and death, this cycle. Thank you so much for being here and watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.